Hey guys, so a lot of you requested another TA on DogeCoin. Sure, why not? It's still the same thing as before. Still bearish on Doge, still bearish on Bitcoin. Nothing has really changed. I mean, really, honestly, looking at like all the charts right now, everything still looks relatively bearish. I mean, there's no reason for me to, like, long term, I'd say the weekly and monthly are bullish or about to turn bullish. But realistically, the day chart is actually about to go towards the downside. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Doge actually go to lows of 28 cents or 24 cents again, to be honest, sometime this weekend. Like, I wouldn't be surprised. I'm not saying it will, but I wouldn't be surprised, right? You know, the last forecast I had was actually hit, which is this peak down to 22 cents in like 14 days or so. So that forecast was actually hit, which was, you know, fantastic. But again, like I said, this isn't going to take too much time. You know, we saw the Coinbase edition, like a day or two ago on Doge, and that's what basically pushed it from, you know, that's what pushed it right here. That's what pushed it from lows of like, 30 cents, 32 cents, 31 cents to highs of 43 cents. But I mean, it's basically back to 37 cents. It's basically back to what it was a couple days ago. So the Coinbase edition, as far as for like fundamentals or for buying power, did absolutely nothing for Doge. I do think though, now that there's an addition on Coinbase, the next time that crypto rallies, I do think that Doge has super high potential to rally super hard, because now you have a bunch of volume from Robinhood, the additional volume from Coinbase, and you also have like Binance, Bittrex, all the other exchanges, right? Yeah, but as of right now, short term, I am still pretty bearish on Doge. If anything, I would start adding buy orders at this 24-cent area, to be completely honest, for this weekend. And then depending on where Bitcoin goes this weekend, or, you know, generally where the next trail down is, I would set more buy orders on Doge somewhere around like that 13-cent level that I actually talked about a couple of days ago, because everything still looks pretty bearish as far as I mean, even on the day we're about to break bearish on the day. The Stochastic already created tops. Last time this happened, you know, we were basically, where were we? What was this high? Last time this happened, where we created that perfect sell-off, was we were at 70 cents, 69 cents, and we hit lows of 36 cents. We dropped 30 cents from there. So, you know, we are creating another perfect sell-off right now on the day chart. So I do think that, you know, depending on this push down, we might see, I don't want to say a 30% drop off like we did from 70 cents to like 32 cents. But we might see 24 cents again. And from here, we might actually test or retest that 200 MA, which is down here at like what I said before, in that 13 cent, 14 cent level where I previously set my buy limit, I think last week, and I'm probably going to keep it there. So the way that I'm going to split this up is, if you have like $1,000, I'd probably buy like, you know, like 500 at like 24 cents, like 245, and then set the other order somewhere around like, I don't know, like 0.139 or something, like either 0.14 cents or 0.139, I think would be a solid entry point right there. And then there's a chance that we might actually retest the 24 cents and drop down further, but again, that depends on the whole crypto market. But yeah, as of right now, I am pretty bearish, sorry, on Doge, and I'm half expecting DogeCoin to basically trail down from here. So basically go down to like 24 cents maybe this weekend. Like I said, would not be surprised if Doge drops under the 50 MA and we go all the way back to 24 cents. So I'll see you guys later.